Hello, folks. Broke, are we? Don't worry. If your wallet is as empty as a politician's promises, you're in the right place. Welcome to Broke to Billionaire. Okay, maybe not quite billionaire. I'm looking at you, Barry Goldberg, but you get the idea. Your hustle-proof guide to making money online. Rule number 1. There's no such thing as free money. Unless you find a leprechaun or a genie, you've got to work for it. The good news? The internet has made it much easier to earn, even if you're starting with zero. Let's start with dropshipping. You're the middleman between the customer and the supplier. You sell, they ship, and you drop your worries about inventory. Brilliant, right? Who knew playing digital postman could bring in the bucks? You could even do this for free on places like eBay and Poshmark. Don't want to sell stuff? No problem. Welcome to the world of freelancing. If you can write, design, program, or even do voiceovers like yours truly, you can earn from your skills. And guess what? No boss breathing down your neck. We also have online surveys. Yeah, you heard it right. There are companies out there who'll pay you for your opinions. See, Mom, I told you my opinion matters. Last but not least, if you're good at something, teach it. Online tutoring is booming, so it's time to make your school teacher proud. Remember, none of these methods is a get-rich-quick scheme. They need time, effort, and a bit of strategic planning. But hey, if the internet can make a sneezing panda famous, it can surely help you make some moolah. So that's it. A broke person's guide to making money online. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more guides to navigate the internet's ocean of opportunities. Keep that hustle alive, folks. See you in the next one. Hopefully a bit less broke, eh?